Hello everyone, welcome back here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Today I'm going to share to you my formulated own mixture of orange Puto cheese. So I'm going to add orange. So this is our cheese to top that up later. But prior to that, I am going to preheat my steamer. So with this boiling hot of water's temperature, it's now ready, and this is my steamer. So there are two layers of a steamer. Lovely friends, I have here at least 4 tablespoons of margarine, so I'll have to melt this using my microwave. I put the butter or the margarine into my microwave and close it, and I just press that one into 26 seconds. My softened butter is melted. This type of dessert or merienda or snacks, this is very easy to follow. So I'm going to measure 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So that's 1. So 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of my granulated white sugar. So 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of iodized salt. Here you go. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered milk. So I use Alaska powdered milk. It doesn't matter what kind of brand you will be using. So 1 cup of powdered milk. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of melted butter or margarine, the one that I melted using my microwave. I'm going to add 2 eggs into my mixture. Using this orange soda or True Orange, I'm going to use 1.5 cups. So if you don't have orange juice available, I like this kind of orange. You can use water. Same procedure, 1.5 cups of water. I will add that into my mixture here. So that's 1 cup. And 1/2 cup, so 1.5 cups in total. Using my electric mixer to mix and batter this mixture, but if you don't have electric mixer, which I do have, you can use this simple whisk. So we will beat this for a few seconds. Lovely friends, just beat it for 1 minute. Using my spatula to smoothen up its sides. This is the consistency. It's very smooth and silky and no more lumps. Then I'm going to pour this into my plastic molders. At least you have to pour the batter mixture at least 2/3, and there should be room for the growth of your Puto, orange Puto. I have here cheddar cheese. I'll have to top that and repeat the same procedure. Place that into your steamer. So there are 12 pieces at the bottom part. So this is the second layer. I produced 24 pieces or 2 dozens, and this is ready to be steamed. That will be steamed for 18 minutes. I'll set timer for 18 minutes. Wow, it's really beautiful. Thank you very much for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations.